All right, so my Vertplanter came today. I'm excited to show you guys. Came really quick too. I was surprised I had a plan for this. Oh, wow. There we go. Looks like it was a little bumped on the side. Hopefully that won't matter much. It looks like it was packed pretty good. So let's do this baby. Okay. Alright, let's take a look at this. So I've got a good packaging. I'm sure that kept it pretty safe. And it travels through Amazon. Hey, look at that. Packaged very well. This was packaged very good. So let's try and remove this carefully so we don't ruin anything. Okay. Oh, nice terracotta. Looks like it's glazed on the inside, which is good because that means that the water will hold longer and not dry out super quick, and that's a good thing. It comes with a guide here. Nice. I'm excited. I had a plan for this, and I did not expect it to come as quick as it did. This looks like a lid. And the bowl. Okay, and it looks like the bowl is glazed too. So we're more than likely gonna set it in there for the water and put the water in there, and that'll seep and sponge into the materials for your plants or into the terracotta, and you grow things from there. Now my original plan was to put an orchid to this. I did order an orchid, but this came first. So I am going to have to cut and then come back when my orchid gets here so I can show you the transplant. So for you it'll be instantaneous. For me it'll probably be several days. But we will return and start practicing. It looks like we got some orchid information in here too. That's good. I plan on growing the vanilla bean orchid is what I am planning on doing. If you're interested in this, use the link below, and you can also use the coupon code Garden Fever and get a 12% discount if you use that link. Okay, I got some garlic growing here that it's seeping down inside of the soil, which is good. However, my vanilla bean did not make it, so that was a trial and an error. First time trying, so I'm going to try again after Christmas. However, I do have an orchid that I would like to transplant. I don't normally transplant when they're blooming, but I think for demonstration purposes I'm going to do it. We'll probably attach it to this. It's going to make a mess. It's going to, let me see, make sure that's in focus. It's going to make a mess, so I'm prepared for it. So we're going to do this over this. Let's do it right here. Oh yeah. Just gonna throw wood chips and stuff around it. Keep the lid on. Try and keep it as close as possible. And gonna kind of prop it next to this so that the roots can grab hold. I'm not gonna bury it because this is an actual orchid, not a vanilla bean, which I don't know, maybe that's what I messed up on when it came to the vanilla bean. But I am gonna throw wood chips in there and go from there, and then I'll use this pot for my next vanilla bean adventure. I'm not gonna water it. I'm gonna let it seep through, remove some of the dead ones. Probably not a most graceful transplant, but that works. Okay, let's let this pot do its thing. I'll keep you updated. So all I did was set it in right next to it and let all these roots touch it underneath. It seeps down. I've been noticing that it keeps the soil wet for a long period of time, even through this bottom part. This is very moist. That's water you see in there. And I put it in there like at least a week or two ago. So having it glazed, it slowly seeps out, and hopefully it'll help my onions. So I got garlic, onions, and now an orchid in the same pot, all using the Vertplanter. Okay, it's been about a week and it looks pretty good. I'm thinking it took. I've noticed it absorbs quite a bit of the water through here. Now that I have a plant on it, garlic's starting to come up really good. So pretty happy with it. Love the slow release of water that it gives me. So now I've got garlic, onions, and an orchid growing around my Vertplanter. Do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and let's make the world a paradise, 1 yard at a time.